Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about topic the organizational process asset. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that many videos can reach to you. And also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. So friend, organizational process assets or short form OPA, we have taken this term from the PMBOK guide, project management body of knowledge, and this is a very important topic with respect to exam point of view. Why? Because around 4 to 5 questions will definitely be there in the exam in which your concept related to organizational process assets will be checked. Friend, most business analysis is the highly interrelated and influenced by two aspects, namely enterprise environmental factor (EEF) and organizational process assets (OPA). It is fundamental to be able to distinguish the difference between enterprise environmental factor with its counterpart organizational process assets. In simple words, enterprise environmental factor refer to what to consider in your project, and OPA are on the other hand is the process utilized to execute the project. Organizational process assets OPA refers to all the implicit input or assets on process used by an organization in operating their business. This may include business plans, processes, policies, protocols, and knowledge. While enterprise environmental factor may be branched into the categories internal and external to the organization, organization process asset is internal to the organization. It may come from the projects, programs, portfolios, documentation, or any other record in a SAT organization. There are three categories of organizational process assets: process, policies, and procedures, corporate knowledge base, and team and SME knowledge. Since the records are exclusive to the organizational process assets may differ in different organizations. The more the company engage with projects, the more insights gained for the organizational process asset. It is safe to say that operational process assets may serve as the achieve or repository of the organization. Organizational process assets include all the information from the organization and that is needed to ease the management of the project. The examples of information included are templates, assessment tools, contracts, policies, guidelines, reports. These records are fundamental during business planning regardless of the nature and length of your project. It could highly improve project management. OPA is flexible. You may constantly update the OPS should have there be any improvisations done while executing your project. Referring to existing documentation on previous projects may ease the process of the project, increasing the potential of success for the project. Referencing from the documentation smoothen the management, especially when starting a new project which is very similar to previous ones done by organization. Failure in retrieving necessary assets may slow down the pace of a project. Worse, the team member may be surprised by unexpected obstacles along the way of the project. According to the guide to the project management body of knowledge, PMBOK guide, organizational process assets are the plans, processes, policies, procedures, and knowledge base specific to and used by the performing organization. Organizational process assets or OPA will serve as a project manager's best friend on any project. OPA comprise of information, tools, documents, or knowledge that your organization possess. Assets are a useful or valuable thing, person, or quality. These assets, along with your PMP, will assist the project manager to meet the project objectives and endeavors. OPS are broken into categories of process, procedures, corporate knowledge, and some examples of OPA are previous project plans, software tools, database of project information, lesson learned, knowledge base, organizational policies and procedures, historical information, and project templates. Then, one by one we shall discuss procedures and process and procedure. Historical project documents such as various logs such as risk log, change logs, earned value data and previous schedule will provide invaluable insights into mistakes to avoid anticipated risk and how to approach specific stakeholders. Historical information such as cost estimates provide a starting point for your current project budget. A budget template or previous project schedule template provided a good point of departure. Along with project documents, internal policies will significantly impact your project. Departments such as human resource, quality, and procurement play a significant role during the project. Human resources will establish what resources will be available for your project as well as ethical guidelines, while procurement will be tasked with handling the purchasing of the project. The quality department provides quality policies and procedures such as quality metrics, checklist, and guidance on the quality plan. Corporate knowledge. Over time, companies has a valuable knowledge base. This base is storing information for future retrieval. Some of this information consists of the finance databases that will provide budget information, incurred cost, project files from the previous projects, including but limited to project calendars, work breakdown structure. Throughout the project life cycle, OPAs or organization process asset will be updated and influence the project in a positive manner. Organizational process assets are valuable information, documents, and knowledge tools that the organization accumulates over time here. Then, friend, in a simple way, we can say that they are one thing lesson learned from the past. In other words, while the organization is involved in various projects, it gradually gains and develops more organizational process assets. These are the history of the company itself and its projects. The first category deals with the process and procedures needed to carry out the work, like policies, procedures, standard models, and general guidelines. The second category include the basic company knowledge for storing and retrieving information, which include register of project risk, lesson learned, stakeholder register, files of previous projects, historical information. So, friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues.